In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Canva's Grab Text. So I have this image just here and it says, "Dog kisses fix everything." Now what we're going to do is use this image and we're going to grab the text from the image. Now this is really easy to do, but we do need Canva Pro to be able to do this. But what we want to do is simply click onto the image. We can then come up to edit just here in the toolbar, and then we're going to come over here to where it says Magic Studio. Now most of these are a Canva Pro feature, and we know that because it has a little crown icon in the right hand corner. But what we're going to do is scroll through to this grab text. Now if we click on there, we have two different options, which are click and all text. Now with click, we can just grab one of these boxes, or if we click on all text, we can do all of the text at the same time. Now for this example, we're going to use click. We're going to click on whichever text we want to grab from the image. Let's click on this first one, and then we're going to click on grab. Then it takes a few seconds and it pulls it from the image. Now it doesn't actually grab the actual text. What this does is pulls the text out, but then uses a Canva font which best matches the text in your design. So for this example, the text that best matches my design is this Bobby Jones soft. But now it's pulled the text, we can play around with this, we can move it around, and we could even change what this says. So we could even put a dog kiss, then we could pull this one and put fixes everything. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to use Canva's Grab Text. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.